I honestly don't know the right answer as to how to get clients.
If I was being really honest, I might spend an hour or two a week setting up social media posts.
I've tried things with Facebook and Instagram ads, but it never really brought the real work I'm looking for.
I made a business page and put some portfolio images up, and I honestly felt like it was kind of a waste of time.
We all struggle to not be too broad or too niche.
There's no clear path for how to market yourself.
But if you're not like anybody else, then how do you know what to do next?
If you don't go to business school, if you don't go to marketing school, take those classes, it's not something that comes naturally to photographers.